Hey guys and girls, in this video we're going to take a look at the best SSD for PS4. This list is based on my personal opinion and tons of research, and have listed products based on quality, durability, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so if you're looking for an entry-level option or the best product money can buy, we'll have a product for you in this list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Also, if you want a chance to win one of the SSDs in the video, just subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell, and leave a comment with a hidden word in the video. Once we reach 1,000 likes, we will pick a winner and notify him. Okay, so without further ado, this is our pick of the best SSD for PS4 on the market right now. Coming at number 6, we've got the SEAGATE 1TB Gaming SSHD. The SEAGATE 1TB Gaming SSHD main selling point is the improvements granted by its dual SSD and HDD heritage, shorter loading times, faster installs, etc. But without the price hike. The caveat, of course, is that since this SSD does not also rely on a physical disk spinning at 5400 RPM, the improvements may not be as dramatic as with a traditional SSD. However, this isn't much for a compromise, given you save money on your new drive, and do get an increase in performance that will definitely be noticeable. Regardless, this device will increase your storage capacity and in many cases increase performance, which are great benefits to walk away with for less than $100, £100. Coming in at number 5, SEAGATE FIRECUDA 2.5-inch 1TB. The SEAGATE FIRECUDA offers SSD-like performance, but it's technically a hybrid drive. This keeps the price down in the first instance, but also gets you a solid performer that brings good elements of both drive type to the party. It's a 2.5-inch drive, so it'll fit neatly into your console, doubling the storage of your PS4 Pro, and potentially quadrupling the size of a regular 500GB model. And SEAGATE is a big, well-established name in PC HDDs, so this model is always going to be reliable and efficient. What's more, the FIRECUDA offers better read and write speeds than a standard HDD, which means you get near SSD performance at a cheaper price. That's common sense right there. Coming in at number 4, Samsung 860 EVO 1TB SSD. With SSD prices continuing to tumble due to, well, time and a vibrant PC market, quality drives like the Samsung EVO 860 are more affordable than ever. When it comes to SSDs, the EVO series has long been the gold standard, and the 860 EVO offers serious performance teamed with modern design and parts. SSD speeds are 3 to 4 times quicker than those of HDDs, and while there are a number of other factors at play when it comes to console gaming, you will notice a boost in performance with a pure internal SSD. What's more, this is actually a cheaper option than buying an external SSD drive for your PS4. While the EVO is mid-range in terms of price, it's one of the best SATA drives for performance. What's more, you'll often find the EVO series on sale via sites like Amazon, so you'll rarely pay full price for it. Number 3, WD My Passport SSD. If you want your SSD to retain some of its quality and compatibility with PC, then the WD My Passport SSD is right up your street. However, it still is a strong performer as a PS4 SSD, and will offer write speeds of around 300 megabytes per second and read speeds of 390 megabytes per second via the USB connection. For reference, the HDD equivalent of the My Passport, while offering larger capacity, can only give read and write speeds of 120 to 130 megabytes per second. It's worth noting that if you want an SSD for your PS4, that you can reformat and then use it for a PC for a time, and then reformat it and go back to being a PS4 SSD. Then this is a great contender for that. It can't, unfortunately, be both at the same time. However, the My Passport SSD's PC pedigree does offer some flexibility, and add some versatility to this drive. For example, it's compatible with all the USBs, including being USB-C ready, and it has an automatic backup system and a handy password protection and hardware encryption, security double whammy. Generally, however, this is a quality SSD for your PS4 from a trusted maker of drives that we have no trouble recommending. Coming at number 2, SanDisk Extreme Portable. If you're looking at getting the best protected SSD to keep that drive extra safe, and why wouldn't you, as it costs a little bit more, then the SanDisk Extreme Portable is the one for you. This will be able to withstand any sorts of accidents, and is the perfect contender for those of us who are accident prone or who prefer to make extra sure about the protection our devices have. As well as being properly rugged, it's water and dust resistant to the IP55 standard and has a shock resistant core for extra durability. It performs excellent too. Its read speeds can challenge the Samsung's T5s, and it is really compact with a fit it in your pocket size. The safety and durability comes at a premium though, and adds a bit more onto the price of the drive, but it's definitely worth it when all things are considered. The protection and durability on this PS4 SSD are excellent, and if you want some extra reassurance, you can even go for the Extreme Pro variant, but be prepared to see the cost rise significantly. Number 1. Samsung SSD T5. The Samsung T5 is the best PS4 SSD because it prioritizes quality in performance and reliability. This is highlighted by its read and write speeds, up to 540 megabytes per second. The Samsung is also very compact, durable, and sleek looking. Its durability, combined with a case, making it ideal for carrying around if you're on the go between where you game. Plus, it's much smaller than you think, at about the same size of a small smartphone. The T5 offers incredible performance for a PS4 SSD, but it does hold its price quite well, so it will always cause a little concern. However, having one of the best PS4 SSDs is about prioritizing speed and performance, and you'll get that in bags full with the T5, so it's very worthy of its placing in this list. If it ever goes down in price during sales though, it's as close to a no-brainer as it gets for a PS4 companion accessory. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide for the best SSD for PS4. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one. And if you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and get notified when we launch new videos. Thanks for watching. Peace.